guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now, I haven't done a video in a while, not too long, but in a while. All right, so I finally got my parts. I've got them. I just been really busy. I have the outer tie rod ends, and I got the rack and pinion, and I just want to show you how it look. And I'm also going to do an unboxing. I'm going to see it on both. I already bust one of them open just to check, just to show, just to see how it looks and everything. And I haven't opened up the rack and pinion yet, but I'm gonna open it up, and yeah. So the price that I got my outer tie rods, because mine's is bent on my car, and I notice now when I'm turning, you could hear it's binding. You feel it too. You don't only hear it, you feel it. So the mechanic guy had told me when I had got my tires installed, he told me, hey, he gave me the heads up. He was like, yo, yeah, he told me my rack and pinion is bad. It's not bad like I'm driving and I can't turn my wheel bad, but it's bad. Eventually it's gonna get there, and all the bumps and all that on the road is gonna get worse. And you know the type of job that I do, I drive a lot. So, and he also tell me that my tie rods, the outer tie rods is bent, so I gotta replace it. And he told me altogether it's going to be like $480 to get it replaced. He told me just buy the parts, bring it to him, and pay him $480, and he'll get it done. So I'm going to get that done. I already got the parts, and I'm happy. Let me switch around my camera. Yeah, let me switch my camera around. All right, here we are. So I got them off eBay. This is the tie rod ends in here, the outer ends. It's two-piece, for the front right, front left. This is the sheet. I had to like bend the sheet because it showed my address and everything. And as it showed, the paper right here, two-piece, left and right outer tie rod ends, fits Lexus ES330, ES350, Toyota, Avalon, Camry, and the Solara. And you also have the part number right there. What it said, please keep our product like new. In case you want to return them any kind of return, please send message first. eBay, yeah. Guess that's the policy from the person who I bought it from, the actual auto store, online auto store from eBay. And yes, of course, you're gonna have the option to type in the make, model, and the year of your vehicle to make sure you get the right parts. So I had typed in 2008 Toyota Avalon, and it also gives me that it works for these, the Lexus ES350, the ES330, the Toyota Avalon, the Camry, and the Solara. And it's gonna give you the year that all it works for. But yeah, here we go. Let me take this out of the box. I'm sorry, I need to get a tripod, as what my Dre's World told me. She was like, you need to get a tripod, you doing extra work. And I'll be like, yeah, I'm gonna get one, or I don't know, I'm so used to doing things the hard way. So this is how it looks. This is the left and the right one tie rod. All cars have this part. You need this part, and I'm gonna tell you guys the purpose of the tie rod. So what's the purpose of tie rods? I'm gonna let you guys know. A tie rod connects to both of your front wheels and enable steering when they are in good shape. They give you smooth, responsive steering. Tie rods have two basic parts, the inner tie rod and the outer tie rod, or the tie rod ends. All right, so these right here is the outer. The inner shapes, I should put a picture on here to show you guys, but you guys could look it up if you want to see how the inner ones look. But these are the outer ones. So that's the purpose of a tie rod. Now I have my rack and pinion in this box right here. As I say, I'm in the garage and there's a lot of stuff in here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna place it on top of here and put these back in. Oh yeah, and it also comes with a pins inside as well. So when they're gonna install it, they're gonna lock it in with that pin when they install it. So it comes with the pin, one in here and one also in here with this one. So I'm gonna put that back in there, and I'm gonna have to grind not too hard, but I say by maybe Tuesday I should have the 480. I already have some money, like I think like over $200 already that I already, you know, made. So I'm not that far by getting it. You know, you got to stay on your grind, do your thing, keep up with your vehicle. I drive a lot. It's a lot of potholes in certain areas that I be going, and it's just crazy. But yeah, let's get down to the rack and pinion. All right, guys, I placed it on the deep freezer, this long box. A box inside of a box. Why I'm not surprised. Alright, so I need to take it out. I'm gonna need my 2 hands, so let me pause this video real quick. Alright, I took it out the first box. Pop the seals of the tape. And whoa. I'm gonna have to like lift it up because it's kind of heavy. I don't think I'm gonna be able to do it with one hand, but I'm gonna take it out of the box though. Give me a second, guys. Give me a second. Okay, guys. So here it is. This is the rack and pinion for my 2008 Toyota Avalon, and of course it's going to work for the 05 all the way to the 12. Once again, I don't know about the 13 all the way to the newer ones, but it works, and it's going to do the same thing with the Lexus and the Solara, the Lexus ES350, like 05 all the way to 12. But yeah, so this is how it looks. And this is what give you, man. Yeah, so it said the rack and pinion gear sets has 2 main functions: conversion of the steering wheel rotational motion into the liner motion needed for the vehicle wheels to turn, reduction of gears, which makes it easier for the steering wheels to turn the wheel. So if you guys thinking that, oh, anybody have the power to turn their wheels, nah, the rack and pinion is what actually help the wheels to turn, and you don't feel it that much. It give it a smoother turn, even though I don't even feel it. Like the guy said mine is bad, but as I said, it's not bad. I basically I don't turn it hard due to my my tie rods is bent, but when I turn my wheels, regardless, I don't feel, you know, it's hardened. You know, when it's really bad, it's really hard. It gives you a harder time to turn, and when you're trying to go straight, it's not going to be, your steering wheel is not going to be straight. It's going to be so off. But yeah guys, this is the unboxing. This is my brand new rack and pinion. I got this from eBay, brand new, $123 and plus tax. Yeah, I am happy that I got it. I made the money really fast, you know, driving for Lyft, and I'm gonna get it installed. And my shop that I go to, they charge $480 to install the brand new rack and pinion and my outer tie rods. And of course, they're going to have to give me they're going to have to do an alignment. because if they don't do it, it's going to be off, and then when it's off, then there's no way they're going to do it unprofessionally. So they're going to have to they're going to have to do an alignment as well. There's no way they're going to change the rack and pinion and the tie rod. And there's a way you could do it without doing the alignment. They have to like make sure the steering is straight. The way how they take it off, they got to put it back on without moving the steering wheel. So they got to make sure everything is straight. But I doubt they're going to go through all that. They basically, it's going to give me an alignment as well. So give you guys another look at it. You guys could look it up online, but this is the actual thing. Brand new rack and pinion. Yes, brand new rack and pinion, guys, brand new. So yeah, guys, I'm happy that I got it, and I got the 2 parts, and it was really reasonable, you know. It's really reasonable. I know if I had checked like Advanced Auto Parts or AutoZone or one of those auto places that's around the place, it's probably going to be more expensive than me going on eBay. So eBay was way cheaper, and it's brand new. It's not used, it's not refurbished, it is brand new. So I'm happy for that. Yeah, me showing you guys. Hope you guys enjoy this video. You know, me showing, look, I'm already told you guys it's hot down here, and I don't even have my fan. My fan is upstairs. I need to buy a separate fan to for down here when I'm down here, when I want to make a video down here. You know, it's more quiet. You know, my mom is upstairs watching TV, so there's no way I'm gonna be able to make the video with she watching TV, and then I might end up getting a copyright strike. But I appreciate you guys coming through, watching my videos, and I do my best to watch you guys' video as well. This has been a crazy weekend, you know, Halloween weekend. It's been crazy. It's been really good to me, especially on Lyft. I know it's probably do the same on Uber as well, because they give a lot of different bonuses, and I do make my money really fast. I made, was it yesterday? The day before yesterday, I made like $200, like $200 and change in I'm gonna say 8 hours, because I stopped. I can't even say a full 8 hours, but I had stopped a couple times. I could have easily made more, but I had stopped because, you know, I had to pick up my sister from school, pick up my mom from work, drop them home, and I end up coming home and take another shower. I usually take a shower before I start my day. So in the morning, before I take my sister to school, I take a shower, and then when I drop her to school, I start. So I say I start like around 8 o'clock, and then I do my thing, and then it's been lovely. Lyft been lovely. I've been doing really good, making good money. Thank God for that, because some days it be slow, but I still make my money. I'm thankful. But thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. I am burning up. Hope you guys learned something. Be safe out there on the road. Try to avoid a lot of potholes. You don't want your tie rod to be bent, and you really don't want your rack and pinion to go bad. Like mine's is bad, but I don't even feel it. I still have my smooth turning back and forth, but sometimes when I turn, I feel, because my tie rod is bent, I feel it. I feel like a little bump, and you hear it as well too. I don't even have to turn fast or turn slow. I hear it, the position when I turn my wheel. But as for my rack and pinion, it's not that bad. How the mechanic said it was bad. It's bad, but it's not bad. Like the bad to the point that I can't drive. I could drive. My wheel, it's steady. It's not like off. You know, you're going straight, but you're going straight, but your wheel, the steering is all the way on, going to the right or all the way to the left. It's not that bad. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Look, I'm burning up. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. I appreciate the love and support. Be safe. Thank God for life. Jesus Christ is Lord. I'm out of here until I upload another one. Have a blessed, safe weekend, day, night, noon, whenever you guys see this video. For real. Peace out. Bye-bye. Take care. God bless. I'm out of here, man. For real.